Hey, we made it to our campsite. This is a place, it's called Billy's Bridge. It's a free campsite. You can look behind me. If you listen, you can hear I'll show you. But there's a river behind us. Hey, don't look at me. Let's look at this. Come on. You guys, quit looking at me. There's Hank. You know what he's doing. And he already ran into some friends. He met some doggy friends from that camp right through there. I don't understand what that's going on over there, because there's a tractor hooked up to a trailer. Maybe you don't have a driver's license no more. Anyway, here's the creek. This is about 110 miles from our house. And you got some badger holes. Hopefully no badgers in them. But there's a creek right there. You can't get to it here. But like I said, Billy's Bridge, it's down that way. So you can get to it just down here a short ways. But we're in the trees. It's a gravel pit right here. I hauled gravel out of here. That's before. Vickie's folks, her mother and father, when they were much younger, means one of them's gone now, this is the exact spot they would come up and camp. A lot less traffic, I'm sure, but this is where they camped. And so I said, Vickie, let's go camp where your parents did. Some of you don't know, but sometimes families, they split up and get angry. Well, that's what's happened. Vickie's father passed away, and now you got one sibling that is trying to run the roost, and unfortunately is. But anyway, the solar system is working great. Before the shade came out, it was putting in 14 something volts, pumping up the batteries. We got the new on top there. You see we got the that things are working good. Let's see if we can get over here and show it to you. I don't know how far I can get this. Can you see it? That little thing is working great. Yeah, she's sucking in a nice breeze through here. We're doing everything free. Yeah, we can fire up the generator and turn on the air conditioner, but we're trying to get ready for Sturgis because we know we ain't going to have any hookups. We talked about that. But that mountain right there is called Boulder Mountain. Up in there somewhere. I don't think we'll be able to find it. But there's some old mining camps. I mean, over 100 years old. Little Chinese people built them. Built the cabins, and they mined up there. And well, I've been there, but Vickie's dad took us up there. No, I couldn't find my way back if I wanted to. But I do have a picture of me and my good buddy Terry Eiler, his dad, and a bunch of us up on top of that mountain right there on that little berm. We're up there looking down, but I couldn't find them trails if I wanted to. But that is Boulder Mountain of the Sawtooth Mountain group. There's quite a few mountains in that group. So this is where we're going to be for a few days until we decide to go home. We're going to go around. I'm going to show you some. Go take the Jeep, and we're going to show you some other things. Nice people left some firewood, so we'll be able to roast some wieners tonight, maybe. Going to be a nice campground. So that's it for right now. We're here. We got through the traffic. Yeah, it's about 85 degrees when that sun comes out, which it just did. Where'd my boy go? Oh, he's having a good time. Huh? He's out there. So, is that him way over there? Oh my goodness. No, that ain't him. He wouldn't get that far away. He's not far. You can bet on that. Anyway, that's it for right now. Nice camping spot. Mile marker 145 off of Highway 75. The highway's right up there. Probably will be able to see a car go by sooner or later. Not now, because I said there would be one. But we're far enough off at nighttime that you don't hear nothing. You don't hear nothing up there. But you'll hear them here now. But the creek's louder than the cars. There went a couple cars. That's how far off we are is all. Not far, but you can camp all the way back into there. But like I said, we're here for a reason, and it's a good reason. All right, guys, stay tuned. Let's see what else we can show you guys. Well, there's our little campground, overlooking this beautiful mountain. But can somebody please explain to me what the heck is going on here? Got slow moving vehicle signs on his rigs, so I'm assuming he has to pull it with his tractor because he probably lost his license somewhere. There's the Boulder Mountain. Now then, we're going to go over, keep turning around here. Go down normal view. Gonna keep turning around here. That you can camp all along this river here. But let's see where the heck my dog went. I know all I got to do is call his name, but he's probably found something very interesting to look at. Hank, where you at, bud? Yeah, he took off something after something. See if we can find him. Don't remember the damn road noise being that bad, but it's bad here. But it's beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. I'm gonna have to yell for my boy. And then I don't want to have to listen to me yell for him, but it's sure beautiful here. We're just out for a little walk. I don't remember the mosquitoes being that bad, but we got the stuff. We're okay. Beautiful. All right, let's see where the dog went. Well, I found him. He beat me home. There he comes. Come on, Hank. Come on, boy. Let's get an animal. Yeah. He lost sight of me. He knows if he can't see me, he knows he'll figure his way home. That's why I always take him for a walk around wherever the campground is, so he knows how to get back to it, and he was already over there when I was yelling for him. Well, I'm going to walk him a little more, and then I head back to the camp. It's almost supper time. Beautiful, beautiful. Ah, smell of pine. If you've never been into pine forest, oh, it smells good. It smells way better than them things you hang in your car. Guarantee that. Okay, let's go find a varmint.